Welcome. For today's video, we will look again at geometric tolerances and today at the so-called envelope requirement on the technical drawing. Using the dimensional tolerancing method can sometimes prove to be insufficient. The length tolerance clearly defines the local actual dimensions measured between 2 points, as you can see in this picture. The direction of the pair of points is defined by the morphology of the measuring instrument and the skill of the metrologist. In the case of two parallel planes in this picture, for the outer surface, each pair of local dimension points will be bounded by a value of 125 mm in the maximum and value of 124.96 in the minimum. In the case of two parallel planes in this picture, for the inner surface, each pair of points of local dimensions will be bounded by a value of 125.04 mm in the maximum and a value of 125 mm in the minimum. The symbol E in the ring behind the length tolerance is the specified requirement of the envelope, as you can see in this picture. The condition of functional assembly can be specified by the requirement of the envelope, which requires that for two parallel surfaces, respectively also for the surface of a perfect shape for the outer surface, does not exceed the maximum dimensions, as you can see in this figure. Or for the inner surface, it does not exceed the maximum dimension, as you can see in this figure, which is defined by the dimensional tolerance. An example of marking an envelope requirement on an assembly drawing is in this picture. In the case of an envelope request, the maximum dimension of the material must be read. The dependence between the size requirement and the geometry can also be specified by the maximum requirement, the symbol M in the ring, and the minimum material, the symbol L in the ring. That's it for today's video. If you like my work, please subscribe to this channel and we will see you in the next time. Bye.